that all our corner pieces in the last layer are on the right locations. The last step to do and the final step to solve the cube is to flip the according edge pieces so that they align correctly with the sides adjacent to it. For example, here in this cube we have this case for two of the edges which are flipped in the correct manner, and two of them are still to solve.
In this last step we only have to flip the corner pieces which are not correct yet. The algorithm for this is quite simple, but we have to be careful how we hold the cube. To visualize what the algorithm does, we can simply use the solved cube. The algorithm is: turn the right layer counterclockwise by 90 degrees. Rotate the bottom layer counterclockwise by 90 degrees. Rebuild the right layer by a 90 degrees clockwise rotation. Rebuild the bottom layer by a 90 degrees clockwise rotation. And that's it. What has changed? The corner pieces of the front right side have exchanged. The same happened to the corner pieces of the bottom back side. At the same time, the edge pieces of the front right, the right bottom, and the back bottom have permutated counterclockwise. Let's apply the algorithm again. Turn right counterclockwise. Turn bottom counterclockwise. Rebuild right. Rebuild bottom. The same changes applied again. Now all corner pieces are in their right locations again, but flipped. As you can imagine, this algorithm provides a closed cycle, where every 3 times we apply this algorithm, the 3 affected edge pieces are correct again, and every 6 times the corner pieces return to their original state. You can try and confirm this by applying the algorithm 6 times to the solved cube. Now, how do we use this to solve the cube? With the yellow face on top, hold the cube in a way that one of the remaining unsolved corner pieces is in the top right position of your front face. Apply the algorithm until the according corner piece is correct. This will always be either 2 or 4 times. Throughout this process you will mess up the solved part of the cube. It's really important that you ignore this. If we apply the correct number of cycles for this algorithm, it will be corrected again. Now it is important that you don't change the orientation of the cube. Only rotate the top layer until the next unsolved corner piece is in the right top position of the front layer. Apply the algorithm until this piece is corrected, and repeat this process with all remaining unsolved corner pieces of the top layer. One of the magics of the cube is that the number of repetitions of this algorithm will always be the correct number to rebuild the solved part of the cube. If you didn't do anything wrong, you only need to rotate the top layer to its correct position and the cube is completely solved.
Congratulations! Now we solved the Rubik's Cube completely. I hope you learned something of this tutorial and I hope it was understanding to you. Thanks for watching.